Hello guys, welcome back. Today, I'll be reviewing the amazing Elite Gourmet Electric Citrus Juicer. If you're looking for accurate and reliable information, watch the video until the end. So let's start our review today. Elite Gourmet ETS 623 BPA-Free Electric Citrus Juicer, compact, powerful, and convenient juicing at home. Bring the fresh taste of citrus to your kitchen with the Elite Gourmet ETS 623 Electric Citrus Juicer. Designed with convenience and efficiency in mind, this compact juicer is perfect for extracting fresh juice from oranges, lemons, limes, and even grapefruit, making it ideal for morning routines, health-conscious lifestyles, or for a quick snack at any time of day. This juicer features a 24-ounce, 3-cup capacity jar, allowing you to prepare multiple servings of juice at once. Whether you're making juice for yourself or serving snacks to your family, the large capacity design reduces the need for constant emptying. The BPA-free plastic and stainless steel construction not only ensures durability and food safety, but also a sleek, modern look that blends well with any kitchen decor. The 40-watt motor powers a dual-sided, auto-reverse reamer that extracts the most juice from each piece of fruit. Whether you're working with small lemons or large grapefruits, this feature ensures you get every last drop of juice with minimal effort. The one-touch, push-down operation makes juicing easy and intuitive. Simply press down on the fruit and the motor does the rest. A notable feature of the ETS 623 is its adjustable pulp control dial, which lets you select the right level of pulp in your juice. Whether you prefer your juice smooth or with a bit of texture, you can easily customize the result to your liking. The built-in strainer and pulp/seed separator help ensure you enjoy a clean, delicious glass of juice every time. Cleaning up after juicing is quick and hassle-free. The removable parts are dishwasher safe, and the streamlined design means fewer crevices and hard-to-reach places. The Easy Pour spout is designed to prevent juice spills and drips, making it easy to transfer juice to your glass, bottle, or pitcher without clogging up your counter. ETS 623 is compact and lightweight, making it easy to store in a cabinet or on a shelf. It's ideal for apartments, dorms, RVs, or anyone who needs a reliable juicer that doesn't take up too much space. This juicer is ETL and FDA certified, providing added peace of mind when it comes to safety and compliance with quality standards. It's a great choice for beginners, casual juice drinkers, and those who want a reliable, affordable juicing solution without the hassle of bulkier or commercial-grade machines. In short, the Elite Gourmet ETS 623 Electric Citrus Juicer is a perfect blend of performance, convenience, and value. It offers user-friendly features, a stylish design, and efficient juicing in a compact footprint. Whether you start your day with a glass of orange juice or add lemon to a recipe, this juicer delivers fresh results every time. That was today's review. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.